lamp using a storage basket. To make this, you need a storage basket. I got mine from Dollar Tree for $1. You can use any storage basket you like or just easily available at your local stores. The second thing you need is a plier. You must be having this in your home already. If not, you can get it from any local hardware store. The third thing you need is hanging lamp cord. This cord I got from Ikea. If you don't have Ikea at your place, you can get it from any local electrical shop or any supermarket. I'm going to use these hooks. I got these with my lamp cord. If you don't get any hooks with your lamp cord, you can buy 3M hooks or any hooks which can be easily available to you. This is a vintage bulb which I got from Walmart. You can use any bulb. I'm using this because it gives very nice and warm ambience. First thing, you need to cut a circle at the bottom of your basket using the plier. Make sure the circle you are cutting has the same circumference as your bulb holder of your lamp cord. The lamp holder I'm using has this ring which will secure it and it won't fall off. If you don't have this kind of lamp cord, then you need to make sure that the circumference of your circle should be less than the bulb holder's circumference. So I will insert this bulb holder into the hole and secure it with this ring. Ta-da! We have the lamp ready. I made 2 lamps for my bedroom and this is the final look. This is the lampshade I saw on Ikea website. It is $17.99 and you have to buy cord and bulb separately, so it will cost you around $30. The lampshade I made will cost you around $10, but if you're buying any lamp cord from Amazon or any local store, it might cost you less than that. Guys, like and share this video, subscribe this YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram as Sketchy and Brush for more DIY and budget decor.